I'm in here. Replacing string parts. Let's talk a little bit about replacing string parts. So this one, you'll notice, it does not change the original string. It still returns a new string. But what it does is it returns a string where if it finds any of this value, it'll replace it with this value. Here's an example. Okay, so it says an original string is I like bananas. And then we are calling the string method .replace. And we're saying replace bananas with apples. So if it finds this exactly, and it is case sensitive, it will replace it with this. Let's just steal that. Oop. Copy. What is going on? Don't put that in there. See, there's those invisible characters getting me again. Okay, so here is the code there. And if I run that, you can see it prints X, which is the new text with bananas replaced with apples. Here's an interesting thing we could do. I could get a new word from the user. And then I can use that new word as the replacement word. So what I'm doing here is I'll get a word from the user. I'm creating a line of text. It says I like bananas. And then I'm immediately creating a copy of that, but with bananas replaced with whatever word the user's typed in. So whatever's in that bucket, it's going to, and then it'll print it out. So let's take a look. Type a new word. Okay, so that was a very simple swap. But now instead of using a static string here, I'm using whatever string the user typed in to replace that. We all tracking so far? Sort of? Okay. So that's what replace does.